Hi, I'm Manfredini, Ace's home expert, with my 5 to-dos for May. Let's get started. Clean out your gutters. Nope, this isn't just a fall task. You'll be surprised what can accumulate over the winter and early spring, depending on where you live in the country. The spring rains can come down fast and hard. Make sure your gutters are prepared for that rainfall by cleaning them and giving water a chance to flow. When not cleared, your gutters need to send that water somewhere into your home. Before you call it a day, just ensure that the downspouts of the gutters are clear as well. Number 2, get the bugs before they get you. I can't say I've ever met a person that enjoys bugs in their home or mosquitoes at a picnic. So let's take the time to send them elsewhere. Treat your lawn with a GrubEx to keep everything from grubs, armyworms to keep crawling to another lawn. Set a reminder to reapply in 4 months. Next, use a home defense product in your lawn to reduce them from getting inside and avoid them from eating up your lawn as well. Number 3, plant those flowers. A good rule of thumb is for most of us in the US is to plant on Mother's Day weekend. Adding plants to your yard is a great way to improve your curb appeal. Now, to keep them thriving, create a feeding schedule on your calendar to give them that extra kick for healthy growth your neighbors will envy. Number 4, see a weed, spray, or pull it out. Now is the time your yard can look like a sea of weeds. Have on hand a weed killer for lawns and a weed puller. Both of these options will keep your yard looking healthy. Number 5, it's time for step 2 of your fertilizer program. Apply step 2 in late spring, anytime between April and June. But be sure to wait 4 to 6 weeks after applying step 1. It kills many broadleaf weeds like dandelions while feeding and nourishing the lawn. Step 2 builds thick green turf from the roots up. And that's it. I can stop those weeds from coming back. Seriously. It's all in my next video.